Let me show you how to multiply matrices. So let's put it in black. If you have A, guys, is equal to A, B, C, and D, and you have B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. How do we multiply matrices, guys? It's kind of easy. A multiplied by B, we'll multiply it this way, guys. Gonna be a big column here. You do row by column. That's how you multiply. So guys, the first space, which is right here, the first space, this is how we're gonna do it. It's first row by the first column. Cool. This is row 1, and this is column 1. So we're going to say A times E plus B times G. That's how we'll find it. All right, guys, that's why I say it's a little different. It's not like before when you just say A plus E, B plus G. It's not like that. Okay, multiply it just like how you see it there. First row by first column, A times E plus B times G. That's how we do it, guys. This is how we multiply matrices. Cool. That's how we multiply. Now for the place beside it, guys, the second place, we're going to do the first row by the second column. So we're going to say A times F plus B times H. Make sense, guys? All right, so that's the second place. Now for the third place, guys, for the third place, it's going to be, it's gonna be different for the third place, guys, because the third place, which is at the C, that third place is in row 2, but column 1. So we're going to say row by second row by first column. So we're going to say C times E. It's definitely C times E. Oh man, mute yourself, guys. Whoever talking, please mute yourself.
I was using that. It did? Yeah.
Mute. Meshonet. I'm seeing a name, Meshonet. Please mute yourself, please. So I can teach. I can't teach when everybody talking. I have to teach when everybody's quiet. So let me do that again, guys. So for this third place down here, guys, it's in the second row, but it's in the, yeah, second row, guys. It's in the second row, but it's in the first column, right? So column 1, column 2, row 1, row 2. C is in row 2, column 1. So we're going to multiply that row 2 by column 1. So that's going to be C times E and then plus D times G. Cool. Then the last part, guys, the last one, which is where the D is, the fourth place, fourth and last place, it's going to be second row by second column. Cool. And it's going to be C times F plus D times H. And this is the answer. This is how you multiply matrices. Cool. And as a matter of fact, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to screenshot this right now. I'm going to send this into the group. You know why I'm going to screenshot it and send it into the group? This is the formula, guys. If you multiply every matrix you get, every 2 matrices you get, if you multiply them, you're always going to get that every time. This is the correct way to do it. There's no other way to do it. There's no other way to do it. And I'm gonna do an example. Cool. Bring up my WhatsApp and send the screenshot into the group. Pull up in the Rari, yeah. I not just nobody. Pull up in the Rari, yeah. All right. So this is how you do it, guys. This is how you do it. This formula here is definitely exactly how you multiply matrices. Cool. There's no other way. And this is the only way to multiply a 2 by 2 matrix. Cool. is everybody following?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Sir,
Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
sir, so like if you get number, you just leave it like that, and when you do the second part, so I have to work it out.
Yeah, when you do numbers, we're gonna do it just like how you see it here. The letters are supposed to really be numbers, but this is just showing you without the numbers. So I'm gonna show you with the numbers now.
So we don't have to work it out.
Huh?
It's not supposed to work out, or that's supposed to stay like that.
No, man, it have to work out. It have to work out. It have to work out. So let me show you how to work it out. Yeah, man, let me show you how to work it out, guys. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to work it out. Ready, everybody? So I'm going to leave this right here. I'm going to leave the A times E and stuff for a second. I'm just going to leave that right here just to kind of show you guys the vibe. So let's change this to green now. Let me make the numbers green. Everybody like the color green. I love the color green. I'm not a JLP though, but I love the color green, to be honest. Green is a beautiful color. It really is. So suppose we have 1, 2, 4, 2, and then we'll have -1, 3, 0, 4, right? And we need to multiply A times B. Same setup. So guys, remember A was here, B was here, C was here, D was here. Remember A, B, C, D, E was here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Remember, these are the spots. So we're going to do exactly that. No, so we're gonna multiply A, which is 1. Let me put it above. A, which is 1, times E, which is -1, right? And then we're going to say plus B, which is 2, times G, which is 0. And this will end up giving us, guys, 1 times -1 is -1, 2 times 0 is 0. So we're just gonna end up with -1 here. So A times B, the first place is -1. Make sense, guys? You have to add them. -1 plus 0, which will give us -1. Make sense, guys? For A times F now, A times F is 1 times row by column. 1 times 3, and then B times H now is B is 2 times 4, right? Plus 2 times 4, and you're gonna end up with 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8, 2 times 4 is 8, and you're gonna end up with 11. Make sense? So A times B is -1 and 11 at the top. Now on the bottom now is C times E, which is 4 times -1, plus D times G, which is 2 times 0, G is 0, right? So we're gonna end up with -4 plus 0. So that's gonna be -4. And in the last place now, it's going to be C, which is 4 times F, which is 3, 4 times 3, plus D, which is 2 times 8, which is 4, so 2 times 4. And this is going to give us 12 plus 8. And the answer for that is 20. And this is the answer, guys. So A times B is -1, 11, 4, 20. Make sense, everybody?
Yes.
So this is how you multiply matrices, guys. This is how you say thanks. So you guys can tell me, thank you, sir. Thank you for teaching me how to multiply matrices. Seriously, you need to know it for the exam. It come in paper 2. You can't avoid it. All right? You can't avoid it. Cannot avoid it, guys. Anybody have any questions in the meantime? Azari, have any questions? Stacy, have any questions? Hossein, any questions? Raquan, this should be a breeze to you now, don't it? Is it?
Come on.
All right. Liston, it's okay.
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Latanya, not too bad, right? So let me rub out these stuff now, guys, and let me, oops. Yeah, let me rub out these stuff now, and let me give you a question to do for yourself. One question, not two, just one question, because remember, this kind of more difficult to grasp in one sitting. So we're going to rub out all of these stuff for the moment. And I'm going to keep these letters there to show you that the letters should really be where the numbers are. Just as a reference, we're gonna change this. And I'm going to change this to, here is black. I'm going to change this to 1, -1, 3, -2, then 2, 4, 1, -3. So guys, multiply them now. Use the same setup. Remember, the letters are where they're supposed to be. And then tell me what A times B is. Find A times B. Hey guys, trying it out.
Yes, sir.
How can you remember this formula easier? Practice. That's a very good question, Jadiko. That's the best way. That's the best way. Practice. The best way to remember this formula easier. First, guys, I don't need this formula to remember, I'm serious, I don't. I just go row by column. That's the first place. So 1 times 2 minus 1 times 1. Next way, row times column. First row, second column. 1 times 4 minus 1 times minus 3. Next one, second row, first column. 3 times 2 minus 2 times 1. That's how I do it. Oops. All right, then the last two places now. Same thing, second row, second column. So 3 times 4 minus 2 times minus 3. All right. So I don't even use this really, but I just give this to my students as a guide. Firstly, but when you get used to it, it gets very easy. Well done, Denise. So guys, you can message in the chat
Sir,
if you're getting the answer. Go ahead.
sir, me can tell her just put in it.
Put in the chat, man. Just put. I think the answer should be. So remember, guys, this is how you read matrices anyway. You read them left to right. So 2, 4, 1, 3. So if your answer is, let's say your answer is 2, 4, 1, minus 3. If your answer is that, put that in the chat. 2, 4, 1, minus 3. Obviously, that's not the answer, but you can put it that way in the chat so I can check if it's correct or not. Go ahead.
Sir, I got 17418.
17418. That's right. That's right. That's right. So everybody is getting that, which is good. Jay got that. Denise, Jada, Delano, and Twin. Well done. Well done.
Got it as well, sir.
Come on, everybody a kick. Current a kick. Everybody a kick. Everybody a kick, man. Today is a good class. Today is a very good class. So to be honest, guys, you guys doing well. Let me give everybody a little more time. Krishan, let me give everybody a big tick who did well so far. Who give them answer in the chat. Pull up in the Rari. I know it's nobody. All right, so let me check to see who put a red tick. So Krishan, well done. Raquan, well done. Antoine, well done. Delana Young, Delana Wright, well done. Jay, well done. Oops. Jada and Denise, well done. Denise, well done. So everybody else, guys, remember to message your answer in the chat. We'll soon go through it. Please message your answer in the chat to see if I know. If you don't message your answer in the chat, I'm going to assume that you don't know what you're doing. So I want to see that everybody know what I'm doing. Only 7, 8 people messaging in the chat so far. Liston, well done. Yeah, Liston said he had got it though. Anybody else? Message in the chat. Let's see what's happening.
Got the same thing, sir.
Good, good. Who was that?
Annalie.
Ali, all right, well done. Well done, Ali. Regina, well done. Come in, guys, we can do it. Kathy Lee, well done, well done. Is there anything we can't do? You know, that's a good question. Is there anything you can't do if you put your mind to it? Pull up in the Rari, yeah, I don't nobody. So a little more time. Class is almost done anyway, but guys, let me do this one with you guys. All right, everybody ready? So everybody who don't understand, I'm talking Stacy. Well, everybody who don't give them answer yet. So I'm talking Jose,
Sir, I'm just not right yet, but me get it.
Stacy, everybody else. Kathy, well, Kathy gave her answer to. Everybody who
So
not
1
giving
month.
me, everybody who not giving me them answer yet. Let's do it together. So the first one is A times E. So that's 1 times 2 plus B times G. So that's -1 times 1, right? So this is going to give me 2 minus 1, and you're going to end up with a number of 1. So the first place is 1, right? Sorry, let me make this side come on. Yeah, so the first place is going to be 1. So yeah, let me use black. First place is going to be 1. Then the next one now, A times F, which is 1 times 4 plus B times H, which is -1 times -3. -1 times -3 is actually going to give us +3. So we're going to end up with 4 plus 7. 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. So this is going to be 1, 7, right? Let's put in black, 1, 7. Cool. And the next one here, guys, is going to be C times E, which is 3 times 2, plus D times G, which is -2 times 1. So you're going to get 6 minus 2, which is going to give us a 4. Make sense, guys? And the last space is going to be C times F, which is 3 times 4, plus D times H, which is -2 times -3. -2 times -3 is going to give us +6. 3 times 4 is 12. So we're going to end up with 18. And that's the answer. Make sense, guys? So this is how you multiply matrices. This is exactly how you do it. There's no other way to do it. And you need to know this for the exam. Cool? You need to know this for the exam. So I'm definitely going to upload this part to the channel because I noticed I don't even have this as a video, right? All right. Ajani said there's no point in answering. You got it right though, Ajani, right? That's the main thing. That's the most important thing, man. You got it right? Got it right, Ajani? Yep. All right, cool, cool. Okay. All right. So guys, that's class. That's class for today. All right.